Next up, we've got Azeem, who's a venture fellow with us at LDV, and he's going to talk to you about monetization tools.
Hello, everyone. I'm Azeem. I'm a venture fellow at LDV this summer. I've been in crypto, blockchain, and startups for years now. And today I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about how decentralized monetization is going to unlock the key to content funding for the future. So content funding hasn't changed very much in a very long time. The photo or painting you see here on the right is actually a photo from the 1800s, and it's using product placement similar to how creators actually still do today. Because of this, there's actually not a very diverse array of content that ends up being funded or released. And as a result, there's very few content creators who actually can make a living wage doing their content. Today, though, traditional monetization is being repackaged with visual tech tools and the blockchain in ways that we find are going to be truly exciting looking forward. The first of those are NFTs. NFTs are something everyone's heard about. They're non-fungible tokens. These are tokenized versions of digital assets that live on the blockchain, and they hold the key to true digital property rights for the future. In the last 7 days of August alone, across all marketplaces, NFTs had a transaction volume of over $1 billion. Secondary sales of NFTs is something that is really interesting and exciting to us because it means that the creator of these goods actually gets paid in income each time that good moves hands for the lifetime of it. And where that's most exciting to us looking forward is the gaming industry, which is a massive industry that's continuing to grow each year. And it's one where the users are very accustomed to using, playing with, and just being around digital goods as a whole. Another way we feel creators are going to monetize is going to be using new platforms. These are going to connect creators directly to brands, and they're going to use visual tech in order to cut out the middlemen and take back a lot of the earnings that agencies have been taking from creators for years now. Now, this doesn't mean that agencies are necessarily going to go away, but more so they're going to transition into being types that really only work with the top creators. In 2021, a very minuscule amount of revenues were made for the average content creator from subscriptions. However, we feel that they actually hold a lot of promise for audience monetization. Our research shows that actually fans and viewers are very willing to pay for premium tiers to get access to additional content from their favorite creators. And finally, we're really excited about fractional ownership. Fractional ownership is an investment approach that allows an individual asset to be invested in by multiple shareholders. On the left, what you see here is a traditional corporate hierarchy where there's just a handful of people at the top that get to make decisions about where money is going to go. On the right, you actually see a DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization. All this really means is that it's an internet LLC where people get to buy in to become shareholders. And when decisions want to be or need to be made about things like where money's going to go, those people get to come together and vote on what that's going to be. We feel that as the shareholders or people that are going to be making the decisions about how and where content is funded diversify, so too will the actual content that ends up being funded. And so in short, for an industry or for a monetization, it's something that hasn't changed for a really long time. It's something that's pretty ripe for disruption, which is honestly really exciting. And it's amazing because it's being powered by visual tech. So thank you so much.